this is called the Keihan, and the Keihan is very local dish. It is a very Amami Oshima cuisine, and this is very delicious. And long time ago, this was eaten by the dignitary people, important people at the time, and this is used to entertain such guests. But today, everybody on the island can eat this, of course, and this is very famous because of the good taste. So let me show you how to eat this. So there is some toppings, Chinese onion, and this is a chicken, and egg, and this is a shiitake mushroom, and there's some pickles of vegetable and fruit. And this is kind of the skin of fruit, cooked rice, and a bowl. The amount is depending on you. If you want to eat a lot, you can put a lot. You put the ingredients on the cooked rice as much as you want, and you can customize your Keihan dish. This chicken soup is very good soup actually. This is a broth and very tasty, and it has rich in amami. So itadakimasu. First soup. Good taste. Do you know umami? This soup has a lot of umami here, and now everything is very warm. Yummy. And this is very gentle taste. I can feel I can be very healthy life with this cuisine. And the mushroom has very good taste. It's a little bit sweet, but not too much sweet. So it's a kind of the mixture of saltiness and sweetness, and there is a good balance.
うか。これで絶対だけなんですよ、私。出た。